Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious young girl named Luna. Luna was known for her insatiable curiosity and boundless imagination. Every day, she would explore the forest at the edge of the village, where tall trees whispered secrets and stiti. Intrigued, Luna approached the door and with a gentle push, it swung open to reveal a magical world beyond. Without hesitation, Luna stepped through the doorway and found herself in the enchanted realm of the magic forest. The magic forest was unlike anything Luna had ever seen. Trees shimmered with iridescent leaves, flowers bloomed in every color of the rainbow, and friendly woodland creatures scampered about, greeting Luna with wide-eyed wonder. As Luna explored this wondrous land, she encountered all sorts of magical beings: a mischievous pixie who played pranks with glittering dust, a wise old owl who shared ancient tales of the forest, and a gentle unicorn who granted wishes to those pure of heart. But Luna soon learned that the magic forest was in danger. A wicked sorcerer had cast a dark spell, threatening to wither the forest and extinguish its magic forever. Determined to save her newfound friends, Luna embarked on a quest to find the legendary Crystal of Light, the only thing powerful she knew. With the help of her newfound friends, Luna journeyed through enchanted forests, crossed sparkling rivers, and braved treacherous mountains. Along the way, she faced daunting challenges and overcame fears she never knew she had. But through courage, kindness, and unwavering determination, Luna pressed. Finally, after many trials and tribulations, Luna stood before the ancient Crystal of Light, its radiant glow illuminating the darkness. With a steady hand and a pure heart, Luna shattered the sorcerer's curse, unleashing a wave of magic that swept across the land, rejuvenating the forest and banished. As the magic forest bloomed anew, Luna bid farewell to her friends, knowing that she would always carry the memories of her adventures in her heart. And though she returned to her village, Luna knew that she would forever be connected to the magic that lay just beyond the tiny door in the old oak tree. And so, with a twinkle in her eye and a smile on her face, Luna continued to explore, knowing that wherever curiosity led her, adventure would surely follow.